Good morning, my student. Today our lesson is area of trapezoid. Area of trapezoid. What is that shape? It's a trapezoid. It's a trapezoid. It's our original trapezoid. We have another trapezoid, but it's a copy of it. But we rotated it by 180 degree. Rotated by 180 degree. Then it's base 1 and this is another base 2. But here is base 2 because we rotated it. And this is another base 1. Pay attention now. If we move this trapezoid to left, what's happened? Okay, we move it again. Look, we move it. What's happened? These two trapezoids form a parallelogram. Then there is a relation between trapezoid and parallelogram. Try to think what's the relation between both. Now we have a new shape. It's a parallelogram. Look here. We have this line. This line is formed height. It's a height. And this because it's right angle. Then we have here a parallelogram, and this is the base, and this is the height. Then we can say area of parallelogram equal base multiply height. We said before. But we can substitute this base by both, the sum of both, two bases, base 1 and base 2, because here is the height and here is the base. The base is the sum of base 1 and the base 2. Base multiply height. Base multiply height. But not base 1 and base 2. Both of them. Then the area of parallelogram equal base 1 plus base 2. Why we said base 1 and base 2? Because the area of parallelogram equals base times height. Base times height. Here is the base. Is it only one base? Base 1 and base 2? Or both? Both of them. Both of them. Then base 1 plus base 2, both of them multiplied by height. But we need to calculate only one trapezoid. Then these two trapezoids are congruent. Both of them are equals. Then I need only one trapezoid. Then the area of trapezoid is equal to half the area of parallelogram. Again, we have two trapezoids here. These two trapezoids are congruent. I need only one trapezoid, one of them. Then one trapezoid is equal half the area of parallelogram. Yes. Then the area of trapezoid equal half the area of parallelogram. This height multiplied the sum of two bases equals area of parallelogram. Then I need only area of trapezoid means half the area of parallelogram. Half the area of parallelogram. Then the area of trapezoid equal half multiply base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height. Okay? Again, the area of trapezoid equal half base 1 plus base 2 in brackets multiplied by height. Now, there is a relation between area of parallelogram and the area of trapezoid. What's the relation between them? Two congruent trapezoid make one parallelogram, and the area of parallelogram equal base multiply height. Then the area of trapezoid equal half the area of parallelogram. Then area of trapezoid equal half base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height. This is our formula. Look, find the area of each trapezoid. This is number 1. We have a trapezoid. Look, We have base 1, 12 yard, and we have base 2, 21 yard, and we have a height is 4 yard. Then the formula is here, area of trapezoid equal half base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height. By substitute, half base 1 substitute by 12 and base 2 substitute by 21. Then half multiply 12 plus 21 in brackets multiplied by 4. Then half multiply 12 plus 21 equal 33 multiplied by 4. Try to get half of 4. It's very easy. Half of 4. Half of 4 equals 2. Then 2 multiply 33 again. Half of 4. Half of 4 equal 2. 2 multiply 33 equal 66 square yard. We have another question number 2. We have base 1, 9 feet. We have base 2, 12 feet. We have height equal 12 feet. And this is our formula. Area of trapezoid equal half base 1 plus base 2 in brackets multiplied by height. By substitute, A equals half, yes, multiply. Base 1 is equals 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9. Okay. 12 plus 9 multiplied by height is equal 12. Then half multiply 12 and 9. 12 and 9 equal, yes, 21. Then half multiply 21 multiply 12. Is it easy half of 21 or it's easy half of 12? Yes, half of 12 is equal 6. It's very easy, but it's difficult to find half of 21. I need, yes, well, no number. Then half of 12 is equal 6. Then the answer is 6 multiply what? 21. How we get 6? Because say half of 12 equals 6 multiply 21. Then 6 multiply 1 equals 6 and 6 multiply 2 equal 12. Then the answer is 126 square feet. Question number 3. Yes. Base 1 is equal 9. Base 2 is equal 17. And height is 11. And this is our formula. Area of trapezoid equal half base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height. By substitute, half, yes, area equal half multiply 17 plus 9 in brackets multiplied by 11. Then 17 plus 9, 17 plus 9. Calculated it first is the brackets. Yes. Then half multiply 26 multiply 11. Is it easy half of 26 or it is easy half and half 11? Yes, half of 26 is, yes, 13. Then half of 26 is 13. Then the answer is 13 multiply 11. 13 multiply 11 equal 143 square meter. 143 square meter. Number 4. The first base, the length of the first base is 1.6 inch. The second base, or we can say the shortest base and the longest base. Then the second base, 3.4 inch. And the height is 1.1 inch. By substitute the formula, area of trapezoid equal half base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height. Then half multiply 1.6 plus 3.4 in brackets multiply by height 1.1. Calculate it firstly. You can calculate, yes, 1 and 3 equal 4 and 4 tenths and 6 tenths equals 1. Then we can say 4 and 6 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1. 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 1 equal 5. Then 1.6 plus 3.4 equals 5. Then the answer is half multiply 5 multiply 1.1. Okay? Now, you multiply half of 5 is 2.5. Half of 5 means 2 and a half. It means 2.5 multiply 11 equal by multiplying equals the result will be after 2 decimal places, because we have this one after 1 decimal and this one after one decimal place. Then both of them will multiply both the point after two decimal places. Then the answer is 2.75 square inch. Number 5, find the area of E. Yes, we have base 1 is 21 millimeter, base 2 60 millimeter, and the height is 14 millimeter. By substitute that, our formula area of trapezoid equal half base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height. Area equal half multiply 21 plus 16 multiply by 14. 21 and 16. Yes, 37. Then half multiply 37 multiply 14. Is it easy to get half of 37 or half of 14? Yes, half of 14 is, it's very easy. See, you can get it. Half of 14 is 7. Then it's a 7 multiply 37. Half of 14 is 7. 7 multiply 37 equals 7 multiply 7 equal 49, 9 and the carry of 4, and then 4 multiply 3 equal 21, and the 4 equal 25 square millimeter. Question number 6. We have base 1, 11 and a half feet, base 2, 9 and a half feet, and height is 8 feet. Then, by substitute, in our formula, area of trapezoid equal half base 1 plus base 2 in brackets multiplied by height. Yes, area equal half multiply 11 and a half plus 9 and a half multiplied by 8. Calculated the sum. We have 9 and 11 is 9 and 11, yes. 9 and 11 is, yes, good. 20 and 1 equals half and half mean 1. Means 1. Then the answer is 21. Then half multiply 21 multiply 8. Is it easy to get half of 21 or half of 8? Half of 21 or half of 8? Half of it is very easy. Yes, half of it is equal to 4. Half of 8 equals 4. Half of 8 equals 4. Then 4 multiply 21 equal 4 multiply 1 equal 4, and 4 multiply 2 equal 8. Then the answer is 84 square feet. We have a problem solving. Daniela makes a quilt in the shape of a trapezoid. The longer base is 15 feet long, and the shortest base is 12 feet long, and the height is 8 feet. The quilt costs here $0.65 per square foot to make. How much did it cost to make the quilt? Now we have how many points, how many lenses here? We have 15 feet, the longest base, and 12 feet is the shortest base, and we have a height, and we have the quilt cost $0.65 per square foot. Then each square foot is equal $0.65. Look, firstly we can calculate. Look at here, the base 1 is equal 15 feet, and base 2 is 12 feet, and the height is 8. From this value we can get the area of trapezoid. Then the area of trapezoid equals, as we said before, half base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height. By substitute, half multiply 15 plus 12 in brackets multiplied by 8. When? Then 15 and the 12 equal 27. Then area equal half multiply 27 multiply 8. Is it easy to say, to get half of 27 or half of 8? Yes, half of 8. Half of 8. Half of it is equal 4. Half of 8 equal 4. Then the answer is 4 multiply 27 equal 108 square feet. 108 square feet. We get now, yes, this is our area, and each square foot equals $0.65. Then I need how many? Yes, I need 108 feet square feet equals how many? Each square feet equals foot. Each square foot equals $0.65. and I need 108 square feet. We have 108 square feet, and each square foot 0.65. Then $0.65 repeated how many times? 108. Then the cost 108 multiplied $0.65 equals, by multiplying, $70.2. But here you can say it's a two decimal place. Then we can put here. Yes, it's a zero here. Then $70.2 or $70.20. Okay. Look, number 8. Let's build a video in the shape of trapezoid. The parallel bases are 14 feet and 16 feet long. Then we have two bases, the shortest and the longest. The distance between the bases means the height. The distance between the bases means the distance between these two parallel bases means the height is 13 feet. The video cost $1.25 per square foot. How much did it cost? Let's do make his video. Look, we have how many lenses? We have this number 14 feet. The first base and second base, the longest base is 16, and we have the height is 13. By this value we can apply it here. Then have multiply 14 plus 16 in brackets multiply by 13. 14 plus 16, 10, 20, and 30. Then half multiply 30 multiply 13. Is it easy to say, to get half of 30 or half of 13? Yes, half of 30 it's easy. Half of 13, half of 30 is 15. Then the answer is 15 multiplied 13 equal 195 square feet. But we need the battery cost $1.25 per square foot. Then each square foot equals $1.25, meaning $1.25 for each square foot. But I have here 195 square foot. 195 square foot. But the cost of each square foot is $1.25. Then the batch cost 195 multiply $1.25. The answer equals $243.75. Then 195 multiply $1.25 equal $243.75. Number 9. A trapezoid has a shorter base that's 19 inch long and a longer base that's 23 inch long. The area of the trapezoid is 105 square inch. What's the height of the trapezoid? It's different from the question before. You get me the area equal 105 square inch, and we have the length of base 1 equal 19 inch, and we have base 2 equal 23 inch. But we need to calculate or to get the value of height, But we can apply these values in this our formula. Then area is, we get the area is 105. Yes. Then substitute area by 105, and half it will be the same. Multiply base 1 substitute by 19 and base 2 substitute by 23, but height will be same height because we need to calculate it or to get it. Then 105 will be added 105. Half multiply 19. Calculate it firstly. 19 plus 23. Then 105 equal half multiply 19 plus 23 equal 42. multiply height. Then half of 42, is 21. Then 105 equal 21 multiply height. We need to get the height. Then what about 21? 21 is here multiply. Then we can move it, yes, the second side by different or the opposite sign. Here is multiply, the opposite sign is divided. Then the height is 105 divided 21. 105 divided 20. Again, 21 here is multiply. If you need to go to put it in the second side, we observe, we put the opposite sign. 21 multiply, then the opposite of multiplication is division. Then 105 divided by 21, it's a height. Then 105 divided by 21 equals 5 inch. Then the height is 5 inch. The height is 5 inch. Question number 10. A trapezoid has a shorter base that measures 6.2 centimeter and a longer base that measures 7.5 centimeter. The area of the trapezoid is 13.14 square centimeter. What's the height of the trapezoid? This question, like it's before, we said we'll answer it in question number 9. Then we have area of trapezoid is 13.14 centimeter, square centimeter. And we have, yes, the shorter base is equal to 6.2 centimeter. And we have the longest base is equal 7.5 centimeter. We need to calculate the height by applying or substitute by this value in this formula. Area of trapezoid equals 13.14 equals half multiply base 1 is 6.2 plus base 2 is 7.5 in brackets multiply by height. Calculate the firstly. Yes, 6 and 7 means 13.7. Yes. Then 13.14 equal 30.14 equal half multiply 13.47 multiply by height. But we need here to make it the half of 13 by multiply. Yeah, we can say half multiply 13.47 equal to 6.735. 6.735. Then 30.14 equal 6.735 multiplied by height. I need to move this number in the opposite side by opposite sign. Here is multiplying. Then this number will be divided. Then the answer is 30.14 divided by 6.735. This is the height. Then the height is equal 4.47 centimeter. 4.47 centimeter. Okay. Don't forget to answer the homework page 182. And I hope you understand this lesson well and try to remember there is a relation between parallelogram and the trapezoid. The area of trapezoid is half the area of parallelogram. Half the area of parallelogram. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you.